How to open YouTube on Google Chrome. First thing you have to do is head over to your Chrome app and try to go to youtube.com. And once you search for YouTube, you can just tap on YouTube. But as you can see, it has directed me to the YouTube app. So here I have searched in Google Chrome, so there is no option, but it has directed me to the YouTube app. This is happening because your YouTube's open supported link option is turned on. No matter how many times I try, even if I try to open this in a new tab, like so, tab has been opened in the background. So let me just go here. And once you have done that, you could go to YouTube. But if I directly tap on this, it will keep directing me to the YouTube tab. So what you want to do here is go ahead and long press on YouTube and then go to app info. And once you land on the app info, tap on this defaults option where it says set as default in this app. Then make sure that this option is turned off when it says open supported links. Make sure to turn it off because when it's turned on, all of these links will redirect you to the YouTube app. So just turn it off. Now if I go back to my Chrome and then tap on it, and then if I tap on YouTube, as you can see, it will open up in the browser. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.